The Microtech SOCOM Elite, a classic that has stood the test of time. This version of the SOCOM Elite is the manual opener with a tanto blade and two-tone Cerakote finish with blue anodized handle. Weighing in at 150 grams, 13.2 centimeters closed, 23.3 centimeters overall length, and a blade length of 10.1 centimeters. The manual version of the SOCOM Elite, so we have a single position pocket clip, glass breaker, thumb stud opening with liner lock, grip panels inset into the handle, and a two-tone tanto blade. And how sharp is the factory edge on the Microtech SOCOM Elite? 265 grams.